Plan your approach to training and mentoring farm employees. Training and mentorship can motivate your employees and help them excel at their jobs. The two do have some distinctions, however. Through training, workers improve or acquire skills to do specific tasks. For example, you may train employees to feed animals, use machinery, or scout fields. Mentorship supports overall employee development, including how to manage time, communicate, or advance a career. To be deliberate about training and mentoring, create a plan. Consider 3 tips as you get started. 1. Choose a format. Training may take shape as spontaneous, on-the-job feedback or more formal seminars or courses. To make training effective, adapt it to fit an employee's preferred learning style. Some learn best from reading. Others benefit from watching videos or doing hands-on projects. Mentoring involves pairing a mentor and mentee who have similar interests or expectations and can help each other grow professionally. You can create a formal farm mentoring program with requirements and guidelines, or let mentors and mentees select an approach that works for them. 2. Identify needs. Your training plan will depend upon employees' existing abilities. Get to know your workers so you can gauge where they need extra instruction. Mentees set a mentorship agenda. Challenge them to ask questions that draw out a mentor's knowledge. 3. Set a timeline. Establish training milestones so employees make progress towards skill mastery. Keep in mind that sharing too much information too quickly can result in low retention. Consider using checklists until processes become habits. Ongoing training enables employees to gradually improve. Mentoring relationships may last for years, but periodically check on mentor-mentee pairings to ensure both parties find the experience to have value. See the links below for more about training and mentoring.